Hey, you found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today is special thanks to my brother Tom for letting me use his footage. My solo shot camera tipped over and got wet and was destroyed, so I've been without a camera for a while, but Tom was nice enough to let me use his footage here. So without further ado, here's the session. So the first wave I'm showing here is from my brother Tom. It's a decent wave, not that much to it, but he rides it just about as good as it can be. And maybe like to see him have taken a bit more of an angle on it, but it closed out pretty quick either way. So here I get a nice little backside wave, and I get a nice pop-up, but then when I get up, I'm having both my arms on the front. I'd like to get that leading arm kind of on the other side of the board and get better balance and just better style. But then I'm able to still get on this wave, get kind of up high and make a little bit of something out of it. The next wave is a pretty gutless wave, but you know, it's still worth taking these when you're learning. I think that, you know, riding this white water is good practice for, you know, just getting a pop-up and the balance and feeling how you are with your position on the board. Here's another backside wave which closes out pretty quick. And again, I've got another wave where I'm swinging both arms out in front of me. Really got to stop doing this. And this wave, I'm stuck on top of the foam. I try to bounce, but just get stuck behind the wave. And the last wave, a nice front side wave, about as much as I can do on this. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have fun and keep it real.